energy. Two forms of energy: kinetic, which is motion, and potential, which is stored. The formula for kinetic energy is Ke equals 1/2 mv squared. Mass, velocity. Temperature is the average kinetic energy of all particles. Particles consist of atoms, molecules, and ions. The reason why the measurement is an average is because it spreads and the particles are always changing. Kelvin is the absolute value, and it can't go past 0. This next map is the 6 phase changes. Starts from potential energy delta H. Delta H plus on this side, and delta H minus on this side. This is solid, liquid, gas. From a solid to a liquid is melting. From a liquid to a solid is freezing. From a liquid to a gas is vaporization and condensation back. From a solid to a gas is sublimation. And from a gas to a solid is deposition. Positive is exothermic, which means the heat is being released. Delta H negative is endothermic, which means the heat is absorbed. This makes it cooler, this makes it warmer.
We'll be doing all of the math examples for Unit 5. As we know, kinetic energy equals 1/2 mass times velocity squared. So I'll be using this example. Say we have a bowling ball that equals 10 pounds, but we want to equal kilograms. Now I've given you 1 kilogram equals 2.21 pounds. The velocity equals 27. So first of all, we need to convert the 10 pounds into kilograms. So we gotta set it up. 2.21 lbs. Now don't forget that the 1 always goes with the prefix, which equals 4.54 kilograms. So now that we have our kilograms and our velocity, we're going to use the kinetic energy formula. So kinetic energy equals 1/2 4.54 times 27 squared. Kinetic energy will equal to around, well not around, it will be precisely 1/2 4.54 27 squared, which will equal 165 655. But you only want 2 sig figs, so it will equal 1600.